Okay, so here we are on page 39, check your understanding, and we're looking at IQ scores. Now, there's a lot of them, and they want you to make a, histogram for these. So we're going to take all of these. Now you can do this by hand. We're going to do the width of each bar is going to be 10, and that's fine. But I'm going to show you how to do it on the calculator, and we'll review this again when I see you when school starts. But anyway, this next video might be a little bit rough, but try to, well, the thing is you can, rewind this video and look at it several times if you really want to know how to do this thing. But it would be, we're going to be using the list function quite a bit in this class, so the sooner you get used to it, the better. Okay, here we go.
Okay, here's my desk, and I've got my little Buddha there, and it's not for religious purposes. It just is to remind me of the type of teacher I would like to be. Let's see, so this might be a little bit rough, and here we go with the calculator. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to press Stat and Enter, and I've put all of those numbers into list 1. So you just plug the numbers in, press Enter after each number, and you get the list of all the numbers, all the way down. Put all those numbers in there. Now, the next thing is to press second, Y equals, and what we're going to do is stat plot, and make sure that it is on. So you're going to highlight that on, and then we can move over here to where there's a bar graph. So the calculator will make a bar graph for us. Now, there might be a little bit of a problem with scaling, so the way we can fix that automatically is go down to number 9, zoom stat, that's just for us, so it'll fix the axes on the graph so it looks like this. Now, I did say I wanted the bars to be 10 in each direction, so the width of each, so we can say where is it? It's on window. And that would be the scale. So I can change the scale to 10 and then press graph again, and there it is. And we can trace it over here, and it'll tell us that there are 4 IQs that are in that 80 to 90 range, and 4 in the 90 to 100, and then 16 in that 100 to 111, and so on and so forth. Okay, so there is our bar graph. Okay, so I think I'll try to just take a picture of that and do the rest of the video. Anyway, I know that's a lot, and we can learn more about that when I see you when school starts.
Okay, so in that last video, I was using the stat plot, so second, Y equals, and stat here, that gets me to my list, and zoom, and window. And what you might not have seen was that every time I was doing something, I had to press Enter to use it. Okay, so anyway, if you're kind of like, how is he highlighting things? Got to press Enter each time. Okay, so that may help you do that. Okay, now let's just do this problem here. Finally get to what we're supposed to be doing. So now, if you were to describe this distribution, you might say that it is roughly symmetric. What we're going to get used to doing is, in statistics, we try not to commit to anything. It's always like, sort of, approximately, it looks like, that kind of thing. So, somewhat symmetric. Alright, so that's what it looks like. And we might actually add something like, with fewer values in the lower range. And so that's, you're just describing what it looks like. And then the middle, so we've got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one is really the middle. And so that you would say, and I'm looking at my calculator, that's between 111 and 121. So you would say that the center of this is somewhere in the 111 to 121 range. Okay? So there you go. That's how you do that problem.